Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Over here you need to click on Dual Apps and pick app that you would like to clone. I will go with Facebook, so I have to click on it and tap on the switcher next to Dual Apps. So now when I go back, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!